Portable bandsaws are compact yet powerful saws capable of cutting through challenging wood and even metal. They are found in workshops as well as professional shops, and they are used by keen home amateurs as well as professional craftsmen. There are many products available to choose the best portable bandsaw, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Milwaukee M18 Fuel 18V Lithium-Ion Bandsaw Kit. Milwaukee is among the top names in power tool manufacturers, so we were expecting a lot from this portable bandsaw, and we were not disappointed. One of Milwaukee's newer models, the M18 Fuel, is considered compact, although we found some full-size features on this tool. For instance, the M18 Fuel comes with dual handles, something that's not always available on compact models, but something we appreciated for helping stabilize the tool while cutting. It's located above the trigger grip, but it's challenging to hold the lock button down while simultaneously squeezing the trigger, which is required to activate the blade. Number 2. DeWalt DWM120K Portable Bandsaw. The DeWalt DWM120K uses a 10-amp motor and offers a 5-inch depth cut. Its powerful motor ensures that you get a reliable and straight cut and that the portable bandsaw doesn't tear and rip the workpiece material. It offers variable settings between 100 to 350 square feet per minute, operated by simple speed dial. The blade tracking adjustment not only ensures a precise cut every time, but it also enables you to prolong the life of the blade. The combination of decent power, variable speed settings, and user-friendly features like the LED guide light make this the best portable bandsaw on this list. Number 3. WM19396 10-amp 5-inch Portable Bandsaw. A powerful portable bandsaw at an attractive price point, this WM19396 model contains ball bearings for the blade guides to keep things running smoothly. Its auxiliary handle is adjustable and runs at speeds up to 420 fpm. What makes it so affordable? It's not battery-powered. With a cutting capacity of 5 inches by 5 inches, this is a deep-throat bandsaw that will cut through sizable items, and because it's corded, it won't lose power as long as an outlet is nearby. It features an LED guide light that helps cut in low-light situations, and because it doesn't depend on recharging a battery, there is no downtime for charging. We had full power every time we cut. Number 4. Makita XBP02Z Portable Bandsaw. The Makita XBP02Z operates via an 18-volt battery and is very lightweight. Simply charge the battery and you are good to go at any location. It features a variable speed dial that is not only intuitive to use and quick to master, but that enables you to match the speed of the saw to the job at hand. The XBP02Z has a safety switch so that you can turn the safety on when you're not cutting, therefore protecting fingers and surfaces. Despite its benefits, though, the Makita does not offer as precise a cut as other models, and this lack of precision is further witnessed in the variable speed dial, which some users have reported as slipping and being relatively inaccurate. All things considered, this is a good saw with decent power and some beneficial features. Number 5. Metabo HPT MultiVolt 36V Deep Cut Bandsaw. The Metabo HPT MultiVolt bandsaw weighs in at a hefty 16.5 pounds, but that added weight, combined with its 36V of power, allows it to slice right through steel and iron. The timed rebar test took just 3.5 seconds to cut through the inch rebar, making this the most powerful of all the portable bandsaws we tested. It even beat out our corded model. The cutting capacity on the Metabo is 4 3/4 inches by 4 3/4 inches, which gives us ample room to cut various pipes. We even cut through a 4-inch by 4-inch steel fence post with ease. The saw features an adjustable speed dial and a nice LED light that clearly lights up the material being cut. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products.